Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. Whew, I can't wait for a better year next year, but I have to apologize. The last video where we talked about smoke coming out the exhaust, I somehow did not put in that video how to read a spark plug. It is very critical that whenever you have an engine issue, or just when you change your plugs, you need to learn how to read your plugs because your plugs will tell you a lot about what's going on. And man, I don't know how I missed it in editing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to leave off right where we took the number 3 plug out. I actually put the plugs in that tray holder, and I go through each plug, and I did find something which will now make sense if you've seen that video why I was targeting number 7 so much. Man, my fault. I'm a rookie. Sorry. Anyway, oh, by the way, if you haven't seen the walk around of the GTO, check that one out too. I really love it because it tells the history of the car, and a lot of people ask me, how my dad bought it brand new, etc. But check that one out, and I'll be right back. Okay, there comes number 3, the suspect. Huh, it looks fine to me. Alright guys, so here's our plugs. Front of the motor, back of the motor, 1 through 7, 2 through 8. And the one that jumps out the most is number 7. Man, that looks nasty. So this is either fuel fouled or just deposits, like as soon as you foul a plug with too much fuel, sometimes if you're just cruising around, it'll just build up and build up and build up. So the other issue might be getting some oil in there, but typically oil deposits, you'll see it be glossy, wet, because oil would be leaking on it while it's in the engine, just sitting around. So I'll do some more research on that. I'm not an expert, but you can tell a lot from looking at a spark plug. So for example, this one's perfect. It's burned right down to almost to the end of the strap, and then you can see porcelain almost all the way down there. So this tells you your timing. Timing's good. If it was too far advanced, it would be burned down here. If it was retarded too much, it'd be only burned on the tip, if at all. And then the porcelain color is if it's rich or lean. So if it's too rich, that would be all black. Almost like this one. See how black the porcelain is? So it's a carburetor. What are you going to do? Anyway, so next step here is to do a leak down test. And I'll show you guys how to do that. Frankly, I've only done it once before. It was a long time ago. So we'll walk our way through it. And you need the plugs out of the car when you do leak down tests. So we're halfway there. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed how to read a spark plug. Because a spark plug can tell you so much about your engine. Blown head gasket. Too much oil consumption. Too rich. Too lean. Timing's off. It's awesome. So whenever you change your plugs, be alert. Look at your plugs. See if if they look right. If they don't, it'll give you a leading indicator what's wrong. Anyway, next week, don't miss it. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to go through how I built this custom tow hook. This is actually removable. So for those of you that are freaking out that it may not look like you want it to look, but I can put this in the glove compartment. I kind of look like the modern look. Anyway, next week is how I fabricated and designed this whole receiver mechanism and tow hook. So I like it. It's a fun one. Something new for the channel where I'm actually fabricating. And hey, you never know where it's going to lead us. So until next time, building fast, driving faster. See ya.